My name is Acharya and this is task 3 of the Spark Foundation internship where uh, we are doing um, exploratory data analysis retail where we have to perform exploratory data analysis on the dataset SampleSuperstore and as a business manager we're trying to find the weak areas where we can make more profit and what are the business problems that we can derive by exploring the data. So we can choose any tool. I chose Power BI. Let's go to Power BI. As you can see that I already created the dashboard. So I will go through explaining that what I did here. So basically what I did here was put two slices here based on region. We can click down here and we can see that there are four regions. So we can filter out the data based on the region. And then we have the category which they are selling in three categories: furniture, office supplies and technology. So we can filter out the data by these slices, and next what I did was that we see here that the most quantity shipped was by the mode called standard class. They shipped most of the quantity, is followed by second class, then first class, and on the same day, which is the lowest. So obviously, I mean, uh, I think for the same day it's quite will be expensive. So most people are choosing the standard class here. Then I did was put together the least profitable products. So the least profitable product here we see is that books, bookcases, fasteners, machines, supplies, tables. These are all in negative. The profits are all in negative. So this is where the major problem of the business that we can find here is that by total sales, you can see here that the tables have positive sales, 2 lakh 6,000 uh, 965.53. But here we have that the profit is in negative, right? So this is one of the major problem that I can find by exploring the data. So after that, what I did was mention that the top five states with the least sales, which is starts with Wyoming and then goes down to North Dakota. And then I had was the total profit by state. So the highest profitable state is California with 76 thousand say 800 381, and then we have is the top five states with the least sales, which is North Carolina, Illinois, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Texas. And again, the main problem that I could find was that the sales were in positive and it was quite a number of sales, but the profit is negative somehow. So, I mean, that doesn't really make sense. So, that is one of the business problems that this business is having. And their most discounted products is binders, followed by phones and furnishings, chairs, paper, etc. The least sold products by subcategory is supplies or overall supplies, art, envelopes, labels, fasteners. And the top five cities with least sales are Ormond, Pensacola, Jupiter, Elyria, and Abilene. So these are the things where I think these are cities where they could increase their sales, have strategy to increase their sales, and if we go by profit, I think they have to find a solution to have positive profits uh, in these states, especially North Carolina, Illinois, etc. And this is it. And we can obviously go and filter out the data by their region. Let's say suppose these we can see this data where I think many of these changes, right? So in East we have art, cases, envelope, tables, obviously, and the top five states with the least sales are Vermont, followed by New Hampshire and District of Columbia. So and yeah, top five cities also change. So this is the most interesting feature about Power BI is that it's really interactive. It's the most interactive app that I've used So we can also go by the category if you want to see a specific category. Say suppose we want to see furniture. So then it's also changes, and see we can have subcore category or bookcases and tables and um, furnishings. Okay, so we can do this also. So let me clear all of this. So this is actually giving a lot of insight into how our data is presented. And what I've done is I've done some advanced filtering options here. Mm, like I've used the sum of profit where it's less than 5,000 for a table. So there are a lot of advanced filtering options that you can use. So this is it. Thank you.